Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Emily Putri, and today in this video, I will present our research about redefining corporate governance, the role of sustainability performance in shaping tax avoidance. The content of this video first is introduction, literature review, research method, findings, discussions, and the last one is conclusion. Okay, in the beginning, I would like to uh, discuss that tax is important. Tax revenue for our country is very important because it is the backbone of our national finances. Taxpayers are vital for national revenue, which is used for funding infrastructures and public services. Taxes also enable prosperity by supporting education, healthcare, and tourism growth. However, our governments face some challenge of uh, this tax revenue. It's about tax avoidance that uh, tax avoidance by entities exploits gray areas in regulation, hindering revenue growth. So it's essential to control internal tax avoidance actions within companies. Why tax avoidance is becoming our concern? This is the examples of in the report titled "The Set of Tax Justice 2020, Tax Justice in the Times of COVID-19," published by Tax Justice News. It said Indonesia has suffered a loss of IDR 68.7 trillion due to tax avoidance by companies. There's two examples company. First one is the Raja Wali Nusantara. They engage in tax avoidance by borrowing from a company in Singapore, resulting in increased interest expenses and losses. Another example is from Adaro Energy. They shift substantial profit to offshore networks, raising suspicion of tax avoidance. So those are the example of tax avoidance. So how we address these issues is by the role of corporate governance. Effective corporate governance is crucial to ensure that companies comply with laws and avoid engaging in tax avoidance practices that violate regulations. Moreover, effective corporate governance plays a significant role in tax avoidance by ensuring better transparency and accountability in financial reporting. And then, in addition, by integrating sustainability performance into governance strategies, company can more easily identify and mitigate harmful tax avoidance practices that undermine national revenue and damage corporate reputations. Sustainability performance plays a vital role in companies' operation and strategy. Firstly, it helps companies meet increasingly stringent regulations related to environment and social issues. Secondly, it enhances the company reputation and image among stakeholders, including consumer, investor, and local communities. The traditional corporate governance frameworks often only focus on financial performance and shareholder value maximization. However, the increasing emphasis on sustainability and social responsibility has necessitated a redefinition of corporate governance to encompass broader consideration beyond financial metrics. So, this study offers new insight into how effective governance practices can be more successful in preventing tax avoidance when supported by sustainability performance. And agency further literature review, agency theory explores the relationship between principals, shareholders, and agents. Company management highlighting the potential for conflict of interest. Good corporate governance aims to minimize this conflict through effective control and oversight mechanism. A strong governance ensures that management acts in accordance with shareholder interests and legal requirements, And sustainability performance can improve transparency and accountability, thereby reducing opportunities for management to engage in tax avoidance. Tax avoidance itself refers to the action taken by taxpayers to reduce their tax liabilities by exploiting legal loopholes. In this study, we propose four hypotheses. First, both sides affects tax avoidance. Second hypothesis, both sides affects tax avoidance moderated by sustainability performance. The third hypothesis, HB1, commissioner size affects tax avoidance. The last one, commissioner size affects tax avoidance moderated by sustainability performance. For the research method, the study utilizes a quantitative methodology, analyzing data from 159 IDX listed companies from 2018 to 2022. It employs SAM as a robust framework for hypothesis testing within the study, ensuring precise analysis by using smart PLS software to ensure accuracy. And we construct two models. The first model evaluates the effect on the number of directors, BDO, and commissioner on ETR, effective tax rate. The second model examines the impact of the number of directors, BDO, and commissioner BCO on ETR moderated by sustainability performance, ESG. And the variables of the study is first board of directors, second board of commissioners, third sustainability performance, measured by the score of company sustainability performance, and the last one, effective tax rates, is a proxy for tax avoidance, calculated as the ratio of tax burden to pre-tax profit. So we can see here the descriptive statistic. And then for the model fit testing, as you can see, overall, the model demonstrates high quality and fit, with all key indicators falling within the expected range. And for the finding for the models, the results of the hypothesis testing reveal that not all relationships in the model are significant. The direct relationship between BDO and ETR is not significant, which, as we can see, a coefficient of minus 0.010 and p-value of 0.452. This indicates that BDO does not have a direct significant impact on ETR. However, in the interaction between BDO and ESG on ETR is significant, with a coefficient of 0.182 and p-value of 0.009, suggesting that ESG moderates the impact of BDO on ETR. The direct relationship between BCO and ETR is highly significant, with a coefficient of 0.633 and p-value 0.00, indicating a strong positive effect on BCO on ETR. Additionally, the interaction between BCO and ESG on ETR is also significant, with a coefficient of 0.473 and p-value of 0.00, showing that ESG significantly moderates the impact of BCO on ETR. So the discussion, the implementation of SDGs by government and business can have significant implications for tax avoidance and corporate governance. We suggest that the size of the board of directors does not have a direct significant effect on tax avoidance. This result may be related to the board of directors focus on strategic and operational aspects of the company rather than a tax avoidance decision. Companies with a board directors that actively promote sustainability performance tend to have lower tax avoidance. A board focused on sustainability may be more likely to implement more transparent and ethical tax practices. And the third one, this result highlight the role of the board of commissioner in oversight and compliance, ensuring that the company adheres to tax regulation more effectively and reducing aggressive tax avoidance. The fourth result, companies with a well-composed board of commissioners and a commitment to sustainability performance can lower their tax avoidance. High sustainability performance often reflects a commitment to ethical and transparent business practices, which can enhance the Board of Commissioner role in ensuring tax compliance and reducing tax avoidance. Consequently, the relationship between BCO and tax avoidance becomes clearer and more significant in the context of higher sustainability performance. Conclusion. Integrating sustainability performance into the corporate board structure can play a crucial role in reducing tax avoidance and enhancing tax compliance. Okay, that's all of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Good afternoon.